All right, are you ready to see my studio? Oh wait, before you can see what it is like now, you gotta see what it was like before and what I've done throughout months. I think I started this back in March. First thing was back in March. So let's rewind to March. All right, so we had a bit of a problem. Math is not my strong suit. So I bought one. It turns out we need 4. So then we had to order that. And now finally we're getting back to it. So we are going to redo this wall tonight. So let's do it. So literally my worst fear is happening. It fell off the wall. So my husband's coming and we are going to try to put it back up. There was some rough patches along the wall, so we sandpapered them off. We didn't think it would be a problem. We don't know if that's the reason why or if it's just not as sticky as it should be. I don't know, it's still kind of sticky, but all over there it's sticking to itself. Ugh. It was fine when I came home and I just came back into this room after doing some laundry and it's like halfway down the wall. Like, what even? So we're gonna try to fix it now. Not what I wanted to do tonight, but whatever. Alright, so my husband dearest helped me put it back up. What we decided to do is put up pins along the top. We put pins along the top so that hopefully that'll stop any further falling. I have a new furniture piece that I'm going to put. It's like a desk that my dad made and he doesn't need it right now, so he gave it to me to use until I don't need it anymore or can't use it anymore. So it's gonna be like the statement piece, I feel like, for this spot. I was waiting on some other things to be made for me, but I'm going to just figure out what I can do with things that I have to get this space where I want it to be. Hello! So this weekend we painted our apartment. So the whole house is now this like cream color. I don't know if you can really tell. Anyway, we're still getting used to it. It's kind of weird, especially since we're used to the white. Anyway, with all that being said, right now I'm going to put this studio back together. I finally had it kind of to where I wanted it. Now I'm kind of rethinking it and oh no, it's gonna be a little bit different. So let's go do that. All right, so I am done. I feel so great that this is finally done. It's been a long time coming, and now I feel like my studio is complete, at least for now. I know, of course, I'll always be making updates and redoing it a little bit, but right now I feel confident and comfortable with where it's at. So, yay! All right, are you ready to see it? Come on, let's go. So the whole goal of the space is so that I can film from any spot in the space and it look nice, and I think I achieved that. And so yeah. Also, of course, as I grow my YouTube channel and as I grow, and I'm going to be making some other changes to my space and also to the quality of videos, because the more videos I make, the better I'll get at it. So I have some plans of what I'm going to improve on next, and I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye! Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe.